Hello and welcome to another episode of SPT. Today I'm going to make the salmon. Here we got big salmon. So I'll marinate it. I'll separate some its head and clear it, and then we'll marinate it, and then we'll bake. And it will be ready to eat. Here we go. इसको तो सीधा ऐसे बेक कर दो तो कर भी सकते हो ना
बोनलेस ये तो बोन है
Here I'm going to remove all the unwanted parts of the fish. And making some cuts on the both sides so that it will get good marination. So here we go. I make a little bit of cut over here so that it will get good marination on the both sides. Yeah. And it's very clean, already clean. It's good. So we use turmeric, coriander powder and cumin powder, a bit of salt. This is vinegar, so that it will help replacing some lemon, soy sauce, a bit of oil, and then garam masala. Here we go. After putting all the ingredients, I'm mixing very well and adding some soy sauce and some oil. Now every ingredient is evenly mixed and ready to use. It. I'll start from inside. Here we go. The other side. I'll marinate head, and we're going to make a soup of it. First I'll bake it and I'll remove the unwanted part like gills, eyes and the mouth. I'll first bake it and then remove it, and then we'll make a good soup. Alright, this is it, ready to bake, and I already turn on the oven is the grill and 180 degree, so it's already been 10-15 minutes. So now it's ready to bake, and I'll make a timer for 15 minutes. Alright, we have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes and I'll show you. While waiting for that, I'm cleaning the kitchen thoroughly, and here we go. Now it's time to prepare soup, so I'm getting ready for this, making soup. Here we go.
मुझसे टूट जाएगा। तुम मुझसे करो, रुको वापस करो, वापस टूट जाएगा, टूट जाएगा शराब।
After 25 minutes of waiting, here is the fish, which is very yummy, and I squeezed some lemon over it, and it was really delicious. And this is the soup from the head of the fish. It was super, super, super good. Thanks for watching, guys.